Hi, I am Russell Joshua Afos from Section 2C, and I'm here to make a brief introduction about the cabin communication system and what to expect from our presentation. The cabin communication system is a vital component in modern aviation, connecting crew members and passengers, facilitating seamless information exchange across various in-flight scenarios. It comprises of interphone systems, public address systems, cabin lighting controls, and in-flight entertainment systems. The interphone system enables direct communication between flight attendants and the cockpit crew, coordinating responses to emergencies and managing routine tasks efficiently. Our presentation is divided into a six-part discussion about the passenger address system, interphone system, passenger call system, in-flight entertainment system, emergency communication system, and the public address and general communication system.
Hey everyone, I'm Isaiah Dison from Section 2C. Today I'll be presenting on the passenger address or PA system, which play a crucial role in ensuring effective communication in aircraft. So our agenda is number one, what is PA system? Number two, what are the components of PA system? Number three, functions of PA system. Number four, the benefits of PA system. So let's start with what a PA system is. The PA system address system is an integral part of an aircraft used for making announcement to passengers and the crew. It is essential for maintaining safety, providing comfort, and ensuring operational efficiency during flight. So number two, what are the components of PA system? The PA system is composed of several key components. Firstly, we have microphones. These are located both in the cockpit and flight attendant stations throughout the aircraft. They are used to capture announcements made by the crew. Secondly, we have speakers. These are distributed throughout the cabin to ensure the announcement can be heard clearly by all passengers, regardless of where they are seated. So, in addition to microphones and speakers, the PA system includes amplifiers. This device boosts the audio signals to ensure clarity and volume are maintained throughout the cabin. Control panels are another vital component. Located at the crew station, these panels allow the crew to manage announcements and direct them to specific areas or the entire aircraft as needed. So next is the functions of the PA system. The PA system serves multiple functions on board. Routine announcements include flight information such as estimated time of arrival and weather updates at the destination. Safety announcements are crucial, providing pre-flight safety briefings and instruction during emergencies. Operational announcements help with the boarding and disembarkation and also facilitate coordination among crew members during the flight. Next is what are the benefits of the PA system? The benefits of the PA system are manifold. In terms of safety, it allows for timely and clear communication, which is vital in emergencies. For passengers' comfort, regular updates and information helps keep everyone informed and at ease during the flight. Operational efficiency is also enhanced as the PA system enables smooth coordination among the crew.
What is interphone system? Interphone system in aviation are integrated communication network used within an aircraft to enable clear and effective communication among the flight crew, cabin crew, and sometimes ground personnel. These systems are essential for coordinating various aspects of flight operations, ensuring safety and managing both routine and emergency situations. So, why interphone systems matters? Sys- Interphone system matters because of safety and emergency management, and for the crew communication and passenger safety and comfort and redundancy. So, how interphone system work? In activation and use, initiating a call, crew members use the control panel to select the desired communication channel, example, cockpit to cabin. Next, speaking and listening. The crew member picks up a handset or uses a headset to speak. The voice is transmitted through the system to the intended recipient. Next is receiving a call. The recipient hears an alert such as a chime or visual indicator on their control panel or handset, indicating an incoming call. They then pick up their handset or activate their headset to communicate. So, what are the different types of interphone system? First is analog interphone systems. This is the older technology but still in use in some aircraft. Simple and reliable but limited in functionality compared to digital system. Next is the digital interphone systems. Provide clearer audio and more features such as noise reduction and integration with other aircraft systems, and it can be integrated within modern avionics for enhanced functionality. And last, wireless interphone system. This emerging technology that offers greater flexibility and mobility for the crew, reduces the need for physical connection, and simplifies the cabin layout.
So in this part of the intercommunication systems in the cabin, we will tackle about the passenger call system. So what is the passenger call system? It is often referred to as the passenger service unit, or PSU in short, and it's mainly designed to allow passengers to easily communicate with the cabin crew by just a press of a button. As you can see on the panel on the background, right there is the passenger call button. So the main components of a passenger call system is for mainly the call button, which is located on the overhead panel above each passenger's seat. As you can see here, this one and this one. And this button, when pressed, alerts the cabin crew that a passenger needs assistance. Along with it, while being pressed, is the indicator light, which often is illuminated in a central panel and mostly in the galley or other strategic locations of the aircraft to alert the flight attendants. These locations may vary in the size of the aircraft. In some parts or in some aircrafts, an audio alert also comes along with the indicator light, which makes it easier for the flight attendants to notice something or someone needed assistance. It also comes along with reading lights. As you can see here, there's three reading lights in this panel above in the backgrounds, followed by ventilation nozzles. As we can see here, there's three. And signs and notices, which is mostly the fasten seatbelts and no smoking signs, as you can see at the back, which is mostly controlled by the pilots in the cabin. Its functionality is designed for ease of use by both passengers and crew, which is basically pressing buttons and adjusting it by hand. Upon pressing the call button, an indication light near the passenger seat illuminates. Simultaneously, a signal is sent to the cabin crew's notification panel, where the crew can identify the exact seat from which the call was made, which makes it easier for the flight crew to know where exactly the assistance is needed. That's all for the passenger call systems, and now we will head to the in-flight entertainment system.
So, what does the cabin communication and in-flight entertainment, or IFE, system connection have? So, the question is, when it comes to integration, how does it work? So, it works, the cabin communication system interface with the IFE, displaying real-time flight information, safety instructions, and service updates on passenger screens. So, another question is, now how does this benefit the passengers? So, the IFE provides entertainment like movies and music and keeps passengers informed with announcements from crew. So, what about the operational efficiency? So, the crew uses the communication system to manage passenger requests, which are tracked through the IFE. For timely service, so to ensure the system safety, the safety announcements and emergency instructions are delivered through the communication system, which visually aids on IFE screens. So, how have modern advancements improved these systems? So, the modern aircraft use wireless network to link both systems, allowing for easy updates and personalized content for the passengers. So, the overall, this covers the cabin communication and IFE systems work together to provide a seamless, informative, and enjoyable in-flight experience using a safety and efficiency systems. So, IFE systems have become a crucial part of the passenger experience with continuous innovations aimed at providing better entertainment and connectivity and convenience.
So for this topic, I will discuss the emergency communication systems. Let's start off with the EVAC panel. So EVAC panel is an emergency signal system that alerts the flight attendant to evacuate the passenger cabin. An EVAC command switch is located in the cockpit and a guarded EVAC CMD button is located at each flight attendant panel. So this would mean that the evac panel can be both located in the cockpit and in the cabin. So for the cockpit, it can be located at the overhead panel, and for the cabin, it can be located at the forward flight attendant panel near the emergency exits. So let's dive deeper in the evac panel. We have the command button. So this button is used to initiate the evacuation signal. It can be operated by the flight crew from the cockpit or by the cabin crew from designated stations. So this would mean that when you push this command button, a sound will be produced both from the cabin and the cockpit, and this would alert the flight attendant to initiate an evacuation from the cabin. So next off, we have the horn shut-off button. So the horn shut-off button silences the evacuation alarm in the cockpit. So lastly, we have the CAPT and PRS switch. So this is a toggle switch between CAPT and PRS and CAPT. So this means that when the evacuation switch is selected to CAPT and PRS, the evacuation alert may be activated from both the cabin or the cockpit. But when it is only toggled to CAPT, the evacuation alert may only be activated from the cockpit. So that summarizes the evacuation panel and what's its use as an emergency communication system.
Good day, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Amy Jane M. Kaboboy, and today I will be presenting on the public address and general communication system in aircraft. Communication is vital in aviation for smooth operations and safety. This presentation explores the public address system and general communication system, detailing their components, functions, and importance in modern aircraft. The public address system enables announcements to passengers and crew. It includes microphones, amplifiers, and loudspeakers, working together to ensure clear communication throughout the aircraft. The functions of PA system. The primary function of PA system include delivering safety announcements, providing flight information, and facilitating crew coordination. For example, in case of an emergency, the PA system is used to give passengers instructions on what to do. This is also used for routine updates such as boarding and disembarkation information. Next, we'll look at the general communication system. This system facilitates both internal and external communication. Key components include the interphone system for internal communication and the VHF UHF radios and satellite communication. In conclusion, public address and general communication system are vital components of modern aircraft, ensuring effective communication and safety. As technology continues to advance, this system will even become more integral to aviation operations. Thank you for listening.